Hey guys, so if you've ever played Whiteout Survival, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm not doing too well, but in the mod menu we can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and enable that just to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let me just enable unlimited gems right here, just so you guys can see. So they should start to increase. So let's see if they go up. And there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your phone. So the first thing we have to do is go to our browser, and we're going to go onto this website. And once we're on the website, guys, we're just going to type in the website. So it's going to be zoomods.com, I believe. So this site has all these different like modded apps and stuff. So just go to the search bar, type in Whiteout Survival, and you should see it. So as you can see, there's the game. So go ahead and press on it, and now it's going to start to download. So before it downloads, guys, there is going to be a verification. So you might be like, what's a verification? Well, basically, it means that we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. This is completely free, and it's also from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So basically, at the end, it will say missing files, additional files need to be installed. So what we have to do is download some of these apps. They're all from the App Store, and they're completely free. So for instance, Travel Town says reach level 9. So just press on it, and it will bring me to the Play Store. So you just press continue, and then just download it and reach level 9. So that's pretty simple. Then there's all these different ones. There's a video you can watch. But just make sure you download 2 of the apps. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you like this. It's super awesome, and that's how to get a Whiteout Survival mod menu for your device.